When you search for universal tabletop TV stands, everything seems so identical. Same features, same claims, but to find one that truly fits your needs, you have to look a little deeper. Product number 1, PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Legs. First up is the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Legs, priced at $37.99. What caught my attention here is its impressive ability to handle TVs from 32 to 70 inches and up to 99 pounds. If you want a sturdy and versatile base for your TV, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product could solve your problem. This stand is compatible with various VESA mounting patterns, so you can easily mount most TVs without worrying about fit. It also offers 8 levels of height adjustment, which means you can set it to the perfect viewing height for your couch or bed. Installing this stand is a breeze too. It can be set up in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for those who dread complicated assemblies. The black tempered glass base not only adds an elegant touch but also ensures stability, which is essential for safety. Now, some people complained about the wobbliness when fully extended. Here's the thing though, if you're using it with a 70-inch TV, just make sure it's on a solid surface and you should be fine. Most users have reported a great experience once they've adjusted the height correctly. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable stand for a larger TV without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a very small or lightweight TV, as it may not be necessary. For under $40, it's a pretty solid choice. Now, if the height adjustment of the PERLESMITH stand is something you love but want a little more flexibility, the next product might actually be even better for optimizing your viewing angles. Product number 2, PerleGear Universal Swivel TV Stand Base. Next, we have the PerleGear Universal Swivel TV Stand, priced at $39.99. The first thing that grabbed my attention is its ability to swivel up to 60 degrees, which can really enhance your viewing experience. If you want a stand that adapts to your room layout, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The swivel feature is fantastic if you're in a room with multiple seating areas. Whether you're hosting friends or having a cozy movie night, you can adjust the screen direction effortlessly. Plus, it supports TVs up to 70 inches and has 9 height adjustment levels, meaning you can find the perfect height no matter your setup. Setting it up is quick too, with a promise of installation in just 10 minutes. The heavy-duty tempered glass base adds both style and stability. However, some users noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, while it's not a deal breaker, it can lead to some initial frustration if you're not handy. But once it's set up, most agree it's worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a flexible viewing setup and have a larger TV. Skip this if you prefer a fixed position for your TV, as that's not what this stand is designed for. For the price, the value you get is pretty impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something that offers a bit more compact functionality, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 3, PERLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs. The third product is another from PERLESMITH, their Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs for 24 60-inch TVs priced at $39.99. What stands out is its broad compatibility with sizes and its solid construction. If you have a smaller TV and want a reliable stand, this one deserves your attention. It supports TVs up to 88 pounds and offers a swivel range of 60 degrees, which is fantastic for optimizing your view in different seating arrangements. The installation is straightforward, and the stand features 9 height adjustment options, allowing you to make your TV as high or low as you want. Plus, it's made with high-quality steel, ensuring durability and safety. That said, some users expressed concerns about the base being a bit smaller than they expected. But here's the thing, as long as you're mindful of your TV size, it's pretty stable. So if you stick within the recommended sizes, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy and adjustable stand for a smaller TV. Skip this if you have a larger screen, as it may not provide the support you need. For under $40, it's a solid investment for small to mid-sized TVs. Now moving on, if you're looking for something to accommodate larger TVs with similar features, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 4. PARLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs for 3775-inch TVs. Up next is the PARLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs for 3775-inch TVs, priced at $49.99. What caught my eye is its robust design meant to hold up to 99 pounds. If you have a large TV and want to ensure stability, this could be the right fit for you. It easily fits most TVs in the 37-75-inch range and allows for a 60-degree swivel for the best viewing angles. The 9 height adjustment positions give you flexibility in setting it up just right. The assembly is user-friendly, taking only about 15 minutes, which is a relief if you're not the DIY type. Plus, the durable steel construction ensures it won't tip over, which is crucial for safety. However, a few users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to get the TV mounted straight. Here's the thing, as long as you take your time during installation, you'll likely avoid this problem. It's manageable for most people, just maybe not for the absolute beginners. This is perfect for you if you have a larger TV and need a reliable stand. Skip this if you're looking for something compact, as this is designed for bigger screens. For $49.99, you're getting a strong and stable option. Finally, if you're interested in something that balances size and price, the last product has some great features to check out. Product number 5. PARLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs for 3265-inch TVs. Last but not least, we have the PARLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand Legs for 3265-inch TVs, also priced at $39.99. What really stands out is its adjustable height and swivel feature. If you want flexibility and good aesthetics, this is definitely worth a look. This stand is designed to support TVs up to 88 pounds and offers a swivel of up to 70 degrees, which is fantastic for those with multiple seating options. The adjustable height between 12 and 15.98 inches means you can fine-tune it for your viewing pleasure. The installation is straightforward, and it comes with cable management clips to keep your space looking neat. Plus, the solid construction ensures it remains stable. On the downside, a few users highlighted that the assembly can be a bit cumbersome due to the number of parts. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's pretty solid and looks great in any room, so it's a reasonable trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, flexible stand for a medium-sized TV. Skip this if you're looking for something that holds larger or heavier TVs, as it might not suit your needs. Overall, for under $40, it's a great value for the quality you're getting. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of universal tabletop TV stands that cater to different needs. From the sturdy PARLESMITH models to the versatile Perlagear options, there's something for everyone here. Remember to choose based on your TV size, weight, and how you plan to use your space. Happy viewing!